Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for watching my video. Today I want to show you how I made this miniature bedroom. I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. Now I'm preparing the floor. I'm using these printed sheets of paper which I found online. I put the link in the info box along with all the other materials. And for those of you who are interested in the measurements, they're at the end of this video. Now I'm making walls and windows using cardboard, white paper, foam board and clear plastic. As you can see, I'm also using foam board to make skirting boards, and these are curtains from a previous video which I made from silk. To make the bed, you'll need fabric, cardboard, wooden craft sticks, popsicle sticks and sponges. I found these giant popsicle sticks in my local craft store, but you can also buy them online. I put the link in the description box. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you watched this video all the way to the end, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know who made it this far. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. And if you want to see more content like this, you can also follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!